At last a black cricket came by. "This is a nice place," he said. "We do not have any space," said the animals in the mitten. But the black cricket went in, and just as he did, rip, snap, pop! When Lance came back, there was not a trace of Red Mitten left. So sad. All right, so let's talk about our characters in our stories. So we have Lance, the boy, right? And his mom. Okay, what animals are in the story? Do you remember? We have the mice, the rabbit, the hedgehog, the bear, and the cricket, right? And let's see, what happened at the beginning of the story? What happened first? At first, his mom gave him mittens, right? And she said, take care of them, don't lose them. And what happened? Lance lost one of his mittens. Okay, what happened in the middle of the story? In the middle of the story, animals found it, right? And they started to go inside the mitten. And the mitten got bigger and bigger and bigger. And then at the end, what happened to the mitten? It went rip, snap, pop. And the mitten broke. Was there any trace of mitten left when Lance went back to look? No, it was all gone. All right, guys, that's it. I will see you next time. Bye.